Okay, here's our possible final layout for this wall. First things from the corner to the corner, open corner on this side, 92, and then the height is 120. This is your double panel fridge model number, and each one of those panels is 15. Oh, I don't have it up, but each one of those panels is 15 inches. Okay, guys, here's our final layout for this. First off, if you just want to double check, confirm this, from the corner to corner, 92, height of 120, fridge model number, and those panels on that fridge are 15 inches tall. So I've adjusted these cabinets so both of these doors are 15 inches tall. Your sink cabinet, mind you, it's quite small, so double check that it'll fit in here. If not, we'll have to obviously make this wider and then narrow these up here. But we had a 36. This is just now a 24-inch opening here, and this is down to a 12-inch cabinet. But I know we're going to get a small sink, but that's the inside width of that cabinet right there, 11 3/4. This cabinet is shallower right here. It looks like I've got that one drawn with this taller panel. If that layout's good on the bottom, but 18 inches deep. These are 24, and these upper cabinets that sit on the countertop are 12 deep. These uppers that run across here are 16 deep. So this is going to be, and this upper cabinet being 16 tall, the bottom's 98 inches off the floor, crown molding across the top. So these will have a stained interior with the art glass, same as this, and down, and these narrow drawers. Now, and mind you, I know we're going to stain these the same color as the other unit, but due to the size, this will be a different cabinet construction style, a frameless, but this is a representation of how these cabinets will look. There isn't a face frame, but if we were to put a face frame on it, it's going to make your drawer and door opening sizes pretty small. So for the LED lighting, the electrician, I'm assuming when you flip the switch, you would want all these to come on at once. If he stubs out electrical, low voltage within 2 inches of the ceiling, because we have 3 inches from the top of the cabinet to the ceiling. So if he just comes out any place in here, and then that way there'll be room for the LED lights. And this is a fixed panel, so I'm assuming you'd want a second LED light under this panel. So one here, and then possibly probably one behind each door here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 puck lights. And if you wanted puck lights under this, if these are to be puck lights under this cabinet are on a separate switch, then he'll have to have a second run of LED stubbed out at, say, 99 inches. And the switch, if he puts a socket behind this cabinet, that cabinet is 15.5 inches off this wall, because he can put a switch in here that's controlled by, or a socket controlled by a switch here. And that way the transformer can be in this cabinet. And then the LED will just go into the wall and up to power all that, if that makes sense. Okay, dining room, again, if you want to confirm this, we've got 50 by 106, and this is with the assumption that you have, well, per that picture, if you want to give me that depth, I think we're good, but if we're putting this base cabinet in here, I mean, we need to have a minimum of about 26 inches. Fridge with the panel, drawers, floating shelf, art glass, art glass. This floating shelf's 56 inches off the floor. Again, low voltage stubbed out at say 56.5, and then the same thing with this, just low volt stubbed out within 3 inches of the ceiling up here. And again, if you want separate switches, I think you mentioned that. I don't think I'd bother putting a under cabinet lighting here because we only have 8¼ inches, but this is where the stemware is going to be. And this cabinet, or this floating shelf's 9 deep. So we just put, if this is the wall, a LED strip light 1 inch off the wall. Stained interiors, and all these shelves are glass. But that's our layout. As far as handle count, 6 here, 3 drawers, 3 doors, 4 drawers here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 here. But I'll give you all these elevation views. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.